Hello, I'm Krista Shirley. Welcome back to my YouTube page. Thank you so much for visiting. P.S. Please click that link to subscribe down below so you can get more awesome videos every single week. Today we're going to be talking about self-care, and I'm really excited to be addressing this topic. It's extremely important. Self-care is incredibly important because if you're not taking care of yourself, then you're running low on energy and you drain your body and your mind and your soul, and you just don't have as much to give, not only to your family, to your friends, to your job. Overall, productivity declines. Overall, you feel like crap. And then this perpetual cycle gets worse and worse and worse, and you find yourself a year out, 2 years out, literally wondering what you're doing anything for, not thinking clearly, constantly foggy mind, constantly overstressed, underslept, undernourished, and really just in a very bad place. And it's really hard once you've spiraled down that path to find your way back and even find your way to a place of healthiness. Like, what is that meter? Where is that health dominant meter where you can even dictate to know, today I'm feeling really good, I'm 100% in the zone, versus today my nutrition isn't on par, or my body is really aching to move, I've got aches and pains, or my mind is scattered. So really focusing on self-care is the first and foremost priority for everybody. And from that place, we can take care of our children and our spouses and our jobs and our families and do all the things in life that we want to do. Not only do them well, and do them feeling well. Today's self-care video is centered on physical body movement. There are so many components to self-care, but honestly, just like in Ashtanga Yoga, which is near and dear to my heart, we start with the physical body because it's a tangible thing. It's a gross object that we can touch and we can feel and we can taste. And the reality is, when we can start to clean the body from inside out and outside in through movement, there's so many layers inside physical movement that help to really reshape not only patterns of movement, but also habits. So physical movement also transitions into better sleep, better choices with diet and nutrition, and so much more. For those of you who know me, I am a level 2 authorized Ashtanga Yoga teacher, and my entire life, my love, my passion is practicing yoga and teaching yoga, because it has shown me in over 16 years of doing my own daily practice that it is the nuts and bolts. It's the place where I began, and from that place, the physical movement that I cultivate through asanas, through physical asanas, deep breathing with sound, helps to create a wonderful foundation in physical body that just evolves into something so much greater. Hi, I'm here with Jennifer Miller, and she's going to help me today show you guys an example of physical movement and why it's so important in self-care. As we talked a little bit briefly already, physical movement is really the best place to get started when you're trying to cultivate new patterns, new habits, and taking care of your body, your mind, and your spirit. So Jennifer's going to work with me today. We're going to do a modified Sun Salutation A, which is a really easy, great place to get started, whether you're doing yoga or not. I don't care if you're a CrossFitter or a runner or a weightlifter. This is something that anybody and everybody in the world can do. It's a great way to take care of yourself, get your body moving, get your joints and ligaments moving, get blood flow into your body, increase your metabolism, detoxify, and so much more. Thank you so much for joining me, Jen. So if you will, when you're ready, inhale, raise your arms, palms touch. Exhale, fold forward, tuck your chin. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step your feet back and lower down into a low plank position. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. So now that Jen's in down dog, she's going to keep her hands and feet about hip distance apart. That's really important. She's got her fingers spread, and she's pressing her hands inward and forward, and she's pressing her feet downward and outward. This activates the tissue and muscles of her body to create stability in the structure. It's called tensegrity, or oppositions of force. Very important. She's pulling the crown of her head towards the front of her mat, but she's looking towards her navel. Take one more deep breath here. The very end of your exhale, walk your feet to your hands. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold. Pressing through your feet, inhale, raise your arms, palms touch, look up to your thumbs. And exhale, arms by your side. Beautiful. So for those of you watching, that is a modified Sun Salutation A. Jen dropped down to her knees. So this is a great place to get started. You want to do at least 5 of these a day, every single day. Best way to start your day. And over time, as you get stronger through your lats and your chest, you can then move from a high plank straight down into a low plank by bending your elbows towards your side. And that is just a very great way to get started with physical movement and self-care. Thank you so much for joining us for the first video of our self-care series. I'm Krista Shirley. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content in the future. Be sure to check the link below so you can sign up for my newsletter and stay up to date for my life coaching, retreats, and workshops.